Zihipnya na di bang tu. Naik bang tu. Ni azan. Oh. Angke. Hah? Hah? Pak tecok menggeron ngom lu ana buat lagu.
Nyape na lagi kuning deh.
Kepuah pi.
Muhayan, puan ku mere.
Xiaomi.
Kadung goblok.
Kublo.
2 juta.
Ini.
Aduh.
Orto.
Aduh.
Orto.
Oh, mana gak nak Xiaomi?
Hah? Iya, Xiaomi RAM 2.
Hah?
RAM 2.
Pegang goblok RAM ayo.
Napeng. Napeng bila Pak Saipul. Lah kau ai nan, kau Dewi nan. Pak Saiful.
Apa sih?
Video.
Pada Ahmad. Video.
marah.
Kaya kamera ako po ah. Ano ka mo?
Dalam YouTube.
Kaya dia kerja ya jemput.
You made me cry. It won't happen again.
Miss Young, after you testify in court, my work here with you will be done. Maybe I'll see you again another time.
I seriously doubt it.
All right, let's get things moving. Huh?
Depan lo.
All right.
Depan babi.
Come on,
No,
Glenn, let's go.
matu bro. Matu.
Why is it you're always creeping around?
Babi mo.
The case will have to be delayed. Gregory Chu has gastroenteritis.
Show me you.
He checked into a hospital.
Show me.
My God.
Oh my god.
Baru, Glycolic Anti Natural Serum dengan Melasio mampu menyamarkan 77% noda hitam.
Hah?
Yuk ana tu.
Masak apa aja jadi
Banyak.
mantap karena pakai
Banyak,
kecap manis
banyak.
Indofood. Diolah alami 120 hari, bikin kecapnya wah, manis gurih.
Jangan marah je lah.
Makasih Bu. Kecap manis Indofood, manis gurih.
Hari Jakarta.
Hah?
Jakarta hari.
Jakarta.
James,
It's been delayed. Indefinitely.
I'm dying.
Maybe a month.
It's his fault for all of this.
That means I'll miss the mission.
I'm hoping he's going to let us get out of here. I really need to go shopping without John Chang.
Okay. If that's what you want.
I feel like I've been locked up forever. I just want to shop all day.
Me too. And play video games. Michelle! Wait, I bought extra. So how about eating some? Here, Michelle.
Just that this place is kind of crowded. Don't worry. We've got it under control. What's that?
It's possible. It came from upstairs.
Billy, don't you think I know that?
Just checking. Hey, Michelle, I'm going to the video arcade. Okay?
All right. Win some prizes.
Hey, you take her, I'll take him.
For sure. I'll take it.
Don't move, Billy. What's going on?
Just sit.
Your hands are so tough. I can show you a real business. Don't.
It's young. Now it's empty.